Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering off the Charge 3 and unplugging everything, safety first. Once done, remove the rubber base plug with a plastic pry to expose screws. Use a Torx T6 to remove screws while keeping them organized. Now pry the shell open gently. There are clips near the grill, so go slow to avoid breaking tabs. Make sure to note connector positions and the battery orientation so reassembly is straightforward. This prevents mistakes during the replacement step. You'll see the battery connected to the board with a small connector or soldered leads. Inspect it closely to know if you need to desolder. If soldered, heat each joint briefly and lift the wire. Don't tug. Once removed, compare the replacement pack for polarity and physical fit. The wrong orientation will reverse polarity and damage electronics. Connect the new battery, solder or plug it in firmly, and secure it in the cavity with tape or foam so it won't move when you close the. You're almost done. Realign the case halves and press clips back into place, then reinstall the Torx screws and rubber plugs. Once reassembled, charge the speaker fully before heavy use. This calibrates the battery management. Turn it on and pair via Bluetooth to verify audio and indicator LEDs work. If the speaker doesn't power up, check the connector polarity and solder joints for cold joints. Also inspect any inline fuses or protective components. Fixing those typically resolves no power issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.